Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to crochet this beautiful and easy hat. I made this hat for adult size and I used two colors of medium worsted weight yarn and number 5mm crochet hook. You can adjust this hat for each size. This hat is a top-down hat and we start the work from the top and then continue until the down of the hat. If you're ready, let's get started. I start my work with first yarn and make one magic ring and then make one chain. Now I have to make 10 half double crochet into this ring. Yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through 3 loops on the hook. One more time. Yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. You have to repeat this work 8 more times to have 10 half double crochet totally at the end of this round. I continue this work and then I'll come back. Now at the end, pull this yarn tightly to close this hole and round 1 is finished. Now insert the hook into first half double crochet and make a slip stitch with next yarn. We have to change the yarn for round 2, so grab this yarn and pull through this loop and make one slip stitch and pull this yarn, the first yarn, tightly, make a chain. Now in this round we have to work into third loop of each stitch. Behind these 2 loops at top of each stitch we have 1 loop, that's the third loop of the stitch. We have to work into that, so make 2 half double crochet into third loop of first stitch, 1 and 2. Again, yarn over, go to next stitch and turn the work to see the third loop behind 2 loops of that here and make 2 half double crochet, 1 and 2. And again repeat that. Go to next stitch here and turn the work to see the third loop here behind these 2 loops and make 2 half double crochet into that, and then we have to repeat this work. Make 2 half double crochet into third loop of each stitch around. Now at the end of round 2 I have 20 stitches, and now insert the hook under both loops of first stitch here, and I want to make one slip stitch with first yarn, so grab the first yarn and make a slip stitch and pull this yarn and make a chain. In this round 3, we have to work under both loops of each stitch, so first make 1 half double crochet into same stitch under both loops of that, and then go to next stitch and make 2 half double crochet here, 1 and 2. Again repeat that work, 1 half double crochet under both loops of next stitch and 2 half double crochet under both loops of the next, 1 and 2, and continue this sequence. We have to work into each stitch, into both loops of each stitch, and make 1 into the next and 2 into the next. Again 1 into the next, 2 into the next, and repeat that work until the end. Now I have 30 stitches and I want to change the yarn again, so insert the hook into first stitch here and then make slip stitch with previous yarn again and pull this yarn tightly, make a chain. In this round, we have to work into third loop again, such as the second row. Yarn over, turn the work to see the third loop of the stitch here, and make 1 half double crochet. Again, make 1 half double crochet into third loop of next stitch, and after these 2 half double crochets, make 2 half double crochet into the next. 1 and 2. One more time, make 1 half double crochet into third loop of next 2 stitches. 1 and 2. Then make 2 half double crochet into third loop of next stitch. 1 and 2 into same stitch, and repeat that work. Make 1 half double crochet into third loop of these 2 stitches, then make 2 half double crochet into third loop of next stitch, and repeat this sequence until the end. At the end of round 4, I have 40 stitches. Now insert the hook into first stitch and grab previous yarn and make 1 slip stitch. With that, pull this yarn tightly and then make a chain. Again, in this round we have to work under both loops of each stitch. First, make 1 half double crochet into each of first 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3, and then make 2 half double crochet into the next. 1 and 2, and again repeat that work. 1 half double crochet into the next, again 1 into the next, and 1 into the next. 3 half double crochet, then make 2 half double crochet into next stitch. 1 and 2, and repeat this sequence. Make 3 half double crochet and then make 2 half double crochet into the next, and continue this work until the end of the round. Okay, after making these 50 half double crochets in round 5, insert the hook into first stitch again and grab previous yarn and make a slip stitch with that, and pull these 2 yarn and make a chain. In this round, again, we have to work into a third loop of stitches, such as round 2 and round 4. Yarn over, turn the work, and insert the hook into third loop of first stitch here, then go to the next stitch, make 1 half double crochet into third stitch, again half double crochet into third stitch, and half double crochet into third stitch of next stitch. I made 4 half double crochet, and after that make 2 half double crochet into the third loop of next stitch. 1 and 2, and repeat this sequence. Make 1 half double crochet, 2, 3 and 4, and then make 2 into third loop of next stitch. 1 and 2, and repeat this sequence. Make 1 half double crochet into third loop of each of next 4 stitches, then make 2 half double crochet into third loop of next stitch, and repeat this work until the end. Now at the end of this round I have 60 stitches. Insert the hook into first stitch and grab previous yarn and make a slip stitch, then pull these 2 yarns, make a chain, and work under both loops of each stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook under both loops of first stitch and make 1 half double crochet, then make 1 half double crochet into each of next 4 stitches. 1, 2 3 and 4. Now I have 5 half double crochet and make 2 half double crochet into the next, and again repeat that. Make 1 half double crochet into each of next 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and then make 2 half double crochet into the next, 1 and 2, and continue this sequence until the end. Now I'm at the end of round 7 and I have 70 stitches, and you can see that I increased the number of stitches in each round. The first round has 10 stitch, then the second round has 20, then 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. We increased this number of stitches in each round, and we have to continue this work and continue increasing until the diameter of this circle reach the desired size. Okay, for me that I want to make one hat for adult size that the circumference is between 20 to 22 inches. This diameter is enough. I measured that. It's 5.5 inches, and that's enough. You maybe need to make more rounds or make less rounds for child size or baby size. Okay, that's enough for adult size. And now when I reach the desired diameter, I have to stop increasing and continue the work by making 1 stitch for each stitch of previous round. Make 1 chain, and in this round again we have to work into a 3rd stitch, but we don't increase the stitches anymore. We make 1 stitch into each stitch of previous round. Okay, we don't increase, and in this round we have to make into a 3rd loop and then make 1 half double crochet into each stitch. And after that, for next round, we have to make 1 half double crochet under both loops of each stitch. Okay, and after each round we have to change the yarn and then repeat these 2 rounds of 3rd loop half double crochets and then round of half double crochets. Okay, we have to repeat these 2 rounds several times from here until the height of this hat from the top reach the desired size. So you have to repeat these 2 rounds and complete this hat. Okay, after round 7 I repeated next 2 rounds, round 8 and 9, 8 more times. And now the height of the hat is reached to desired size, and I want to fasten off and cut 2 yarns. And then hide this 2 yarn through the stitches. And now my beautiful hat is ready. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.